From the lush rainforest to the darkest depths of our oceans, planet Earth is teeming with life in all its weird and wonderful forms. Over millions of years, evolution has sculpted some truly extraordinary creatures, each uniquely adapted to their environment. Join us now as we embark on a journey to uncover some of the most unusual and fascinating animals that you probably never knew existed. Prepare to be amazed by the diversity and wonder of the natural world. Our journey begins in the ancient waterways of Mexico, where we encounter a creature that seems to defy the laws of nature, the axolotl. This enigmatic amphibian possesses an almost mythical ability, the power of regeneration. Unlike most animals, which can only repair minor wounds, the axolotl can regenerate entire limbs. Should it lose a leg, a tail, or even parts of its heart or brain, the axolotl can simply regrow them, leaving no scar and restoring full functionality. This remarkable ability has captivated scientists for centuries, and research continues to unlock the secrets of its regenerative prowess. Sadly, the future of this extraordinary creature hangs in the balance. Once abundant in the lakes and canals of Mexico City, the axolotl is now critically endangered. Pollution, habitat loss, and the introduction of invasive species have taken a devastating toll on their population. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the remaining axolotls and their fragile habitat. It is our hope that these efforts will succeed in ensuring the survival of this living marvel for generations to come. Our next stop takes us to the land of diverse and often bizarre wildlife, Australia. Here, amidst the eucalyptus forests and arid outback, roams a creature that seems to defy classification, the echidna. Covered in spines similar to its distant relative, the porcupine, the echidna belongs to a very exclusive club, the monotremes. This unique group of mammals lays eggs instead of giving birth to live young. The echidna's egg-laying habit is a fascinating evolutionary relic, a link to a time when mammals were first evolving and shared characteristics with their reptilian ancestors. This, combined with their prickly exterior and long, sticky tongue for lapping up insects, makes the echidna a truly remarkable creature. Echidnas are found throughout Australia, from the snowy peaks of Tasmania to the arid deserts of Western Australia. Their ability to thrive in such diverse environments is a testament to their adaptability. They are well equipped to cope with extreme temperatures and can survive for long periods without food or water. Their strong claws and powerful limbs make them adept diggers, allowing them to burrow for shelter from predators and the elements. The echidna is a survivor, a testament to the power of evolution and a reminder of the incredible diversity of life that exists on our planet. In the vast, dark expanse of the deep ocean, where sunlight fades into an inky abyss, life takes on extraordinary forms. Here, in a world of perpetual twilight, we encounter the lanternfish. Numbering in the hundreds of trillions, these small, unassuming creatures are among the most abundant vertebrates on Earth. Their world is a realm of immense pressure and frigid temperatures, a challenging environment that has shaped their very existence. And it is within this challenging environment that the lanternfish have evolved one of nature's most dazzling adaptations, bioluminescence. These fish possess specialized organs called photophores, which produce light through a chemical reaction. The pattern and intensity of these lights vary between species, serving as a form of communication in the darkness. Some species use their lights to attract mates, flashing intricate patterns to signal their availability. Others employ their bioluminescence to lure unsuspecting prey. Small crustaceans and plankton, drawn to the flickering lights, become easy targets for the stealthy lanternfish. But the lanternfish's remarkable adaptations don't end there. Their large, sensitive eyes are perfectly suited to the dimly lit depths, allowing them to navigate and hunt with remarkable efficiency. And their small size, typically ranging from a few inches to a foot in length, belies their crucial role in the ocean's food web. Lanternfish are a vital food source for a wide range of marine animals, from squid and jellyfish to larger fish and even whales. across the vast steppes of Central Asia, a creature with an appearance as peculiar as its environment roams. This is the Saiga Antelope, instantly recognizable by its large, bulbous nose. This unusual feature, far from being a mere quirk of nature, is a remarkable adaptation to the saiga's harsh environment. During the summer months, as the saiga migrates across dusty plains, its large nasal passages act as an air filter. The intricate network of blood vessels within the nose helps to cool the incoming air, preventing the saiga from overheating in the scorching sun. In winter, when temperatures plummet, the same nasal structure warms the frigid air before it reaches the lungs. This extraordinary adaptation, so crucial to the saiga's survival, is just one example of the remarkable resilience of life on Earth. Sadly, the saiga's future is uncertain. Once found in vast numbers, their populations have suffered dramatic declines in recent decades. Habitat loss, poaching, and disease have all taken a toll on this unique antelope. But there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the remaining saiga populations and their fragile habitat. Through careful management and international cooperation, there is a chance to secure a future for this remarkable creature. Their survival serves as a poignant reminder of our responsibility to protect the natural world and its incredible biodiversity. For it is in the face of adversity that life's true beauty and resilience shine through. Hidden beneath the sandy plains of central Argentina lives a creature so elusive, so delicate in appearance, it seems almost mythical. This is the pink fairy armadillo, the smallest armadillo species on Earth. Measuring a mere 4 to 5 inches in length, this miniature marvel is a testament to the diversity and wonder of the natural world. Its name, a fitting description, evokes images of a creature more fantasy than reality. And indeed, the pink fairy armadillo possesses an otherworldly charm. Its pale pink shell, a stark contrast to the arid landscape it calls home, appears almost translucent, giving the impression of fragility. This delicate appearance belies a remarkable resilience. Its shell provides vital protection from predators, and its powerful claws are formidable digging tools. The pink fairy armadillo spends most of its life beneath the surface. It constructs elaborate burrows in loose sandy soil. Here it searches for ants, worms, and other invertebrates. The pink fairy armadillo thrives in an environment that challenges most creatures. Journeying deep into the heart of East Africa, we encounter a creature seemingly plucked from prehistory, the shoebill stork, a bird of imposing stature. Standing nearly 5 feet tall, this feathered giant navigates the swamps with agility. Its plumage, a muted palette of grays and blues, provides excellent camouflage. But it's the shoebill's bill that sets it apart. A massive, shoe-shaped bill, lending it a prehistoric aura. This remarkable appendage isn't just for show. The shoebill's bill is a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted for hunting. Then, with lightning speed, it strikes. Its prey, often lungfish or catfish, stand little chance against its powerful beak. The impact is swift and decisive. Despite its size, the shoebill is a master of stealth. Its large feet allow it to move silently across floating vegetation. Its keen eyesight scans the water's surface for movement. The shoebill is a solitary creature, its calls echoing across the wetlands. Sadly, the shoebill stork faces an uncertain future due to habitat loss. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this remarkable species. We venture now to the icy realms of the Arctic, home to a creature of myth and legend, the narwhal. Often referred to as the unicorn of the sea, the narwhal is a medium-sized whale with an extraordinary feature. A single spiraled tusk, protruding straight from its upper lip, gives the narwhal its legendary status. This tusk, which can grow up to 10 feet long in males, has captivated imaginations for centuries. Myths abound, from guiding ships to magical healing powers. But the narwhal's tusk is more than just a mythical symbol. It's a sensory organ of remarkable sensitivity. Riddled with millions of tiny nerve endings, it provides a wealth of information about its surroundings. The exact function is still being studied, but it's believed to aid in navigation, communication, and hunting. Narwhals have been observed using their tusks to stun fish, making them easier to catch. Narwhals are highly social animals, often congregating in pods of hundreds. They communicate using clicks, whistles, and pulsed calls. Their diet consists of fish, squid, and shrimp. Narwhals are adapted to extreme environments. Blubber insulates them against freezing temperatures. Climate change threatens their icy habitat. Melting ice affects their hunting and breeding areas. Human activity disrupts their ecosystem. Protecting narwhals and their home is crucial. Deep within Madagascar's rainforests, an island renowned for its unique wildlife, we encounter the peculiar eye. This nocturnal primate is a master of adaptation. Its large, glowing eyes navigate the shadowy understory. Unlike most primates, its eyes are fixed, forcing it to swivel its head like an owl. The eye's long skeletal fingers are designed for its unique feeding strategy. It taps on trees with its sensitive middle finger, listening for insect larvae. Using its sharp, continuously growing teeth, it gnaws a hole in the wood. Then, with surgical precision, it extracts the unsuspecting grub. The eye's appearance, coupled with its nocturnal habits and unusual feeding behavior, has led to superstition and fear among some local communities. It's often seen as a harbinger of bad luck or even death, leading to persecution and habitat loss. However, the eye plays a crucial role in its rainforest ecosystem. As a specialized insectivore, it helps control insect populations, preventing outbreaks that could damage trees and other vegetation. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this misunderstood creature and its dwindling habitat. Education and awareness programs are essential to dispel myths and promote understanding of the eye's ecological importance. By appreciating the eye's unique adaptations and dispelling the superstitions surrounding it, we can help ensure its survival and protect the biodiversity of Madagascar's irreplaceable rainforests. Deep within the rainforests of Central and South America lives a creature of extraordinary appearance, so delicate it seems almost unreal. This is the glass frog, a master of camouflage and a marvel of evolution. What truly sets the glass frog apart is its remarkable skin. Unlike most amphibians, the skin on its underside is translucent, giving us a glimpse into its inner workings. Through this living window, we can observe the beating heart, the intricate network of blood vessels, and even the digestive system at work. This unique adaptation allows the frog to blend seamlessly with its surroundings, rendering it nearly invisible to predators. But the glass frog's transparency is more than just a clever disguise. It also aids in respiration, allowing it to absorb oxygen directly through its skin, a crucial adaptation for life in the humid rainforest. Despite its remarkable adaptations, the glass frog faces an uncertain future. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change all pose significant threats to its delicate habitat. These tiny creatures, often no larger than a thumbnail, are particularly vulnerable to environmental changes. Their dependence on pristine rainforest streams makes them highly susceptible to even the slightest disruptions in water quality. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these fascinating creatures and their dwindling rainforest homes. But it is a race against time, as the pressures on these fragile ecosystems continue to mount. The fate of the glass frog serves as a poignant reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. By safeguarding the future of this remarkable amphibian, we are also protecting the delicate balance of the rainforest itself. From the rainforest of the Americas, we journey to the cold, dark depths of the ocean, where we encounter a very different creature. This is the blobfish, an inhabitant of the deep sea. Its flabby, gelatinous body and sad expression make it quite unique. The blobfish's unusual physiology is a remarkable adaptation to its extreme environment. The blobfish's unfortunate appearance has earned it a rather unfortunate reputation, often labeled as ugly or grotesque. But beneath its seemingly bland exterior lies a fascinating creature, perfectly adapted to its deep-sea home. Its diet consists mainly of slow-moving crustaceans and other small invertebrates that drift past its path. With minimal muscle mass, the blobfish conserves energy, patiently waiting for its next meal to come within reach. Despite its adaptability, the blobfish faces growing threats from human activities, particularly deep-sea trawling. These fishing practices, often indiscriminate in their catch, can inadvertently capture blobfish and other deep-sea creatures, putting their populations at risk. The blobfish, a creature both bizarre and beautiful, serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on Earth, even in the deepest, darkest corners of our planet. And so we come to the end of our journey, having encountered a menagerie of creatures both strange and wonderful. From the translucent skin of the glass frog to the gelatinous form of the blobfish, the natural world never ceases to amaze. These are just a few of the incredible and unusual animals that share our planet. The natural world is full of surprises, and we've only scratched the surface. If you enjoyed this journey through the world's most extraordinary creatures, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing content.